Sound Partners 1, Lesson 81. There are silent letters in some of these pairs. Point to each letter pair and say the underlined pair first, and then read the word. Spring, wrist, wrench, knitted, blink, sang, wreck, boink, knock, plank, think, wrapper. Now let's try spelling some of these words. The first word we're going to spell is the word think. I think I will have chips with my lunch. Think. The next word, wreck. Wreck. We saw a wreck on the way home. Wreck. And the last word, sang. We sang a song. Sang. Now let's check your work. The first word was the word think. THINK. Number 2, wreck. WRECK. And number 3, sang. SANG. Now let's sound these out and then read them fast. Clank, clank, click, clink, right, right, knots, knots, thirst, thirst, chirps, chirps, spray, spray, wrong, wrong, stream, stream, head, strong, strong, headstrong, mean, time, time, meantime, anchor, tanker, night, night, air, mare, nightmare, sour, sour. Now let's try spelling some of these words. The first word we're going to spell is the word clank. Clank. I heard her clank the wood together. Clank. Underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word clank. The next word, spray. Spray. Try not to spray me with the water hose. Spray. Underline the letter pairs or word parts you hear in the word spray. The next word, chirps. Chirps. The bird chirps at night. Chirps. Underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word chirps. The next word, stream. Stream. My dog splashed through the stream. Underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word stream. The next word, sour. The candy was very sour. Underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word sour. And the last word, thirst. Thirst. I could not quench my thirst. Underline the letter pairs or word parts you know in the word thirst. Now let's check your answers. The first word was clank, C-L-A-N-K with the letter pair C-L and N-K. The next word, spray, S-P-R-A-Y with the letter pair S-P and A-Y. The next word, chirps, C-H-I-R-P-S with the letter pair C-H and I-R. The next word is stream, S-T-R-E-A-M with the letter pair S-T and E-A. The next word, sour, S-O-U-R with the letter pair O-U. And the last word, thirst, T-H-I-R-S-T with the letter pair T-H, I-R, and S-T. Now let's practice reading our sight words. Your, put, for, because, walk, where, both, talk, kind, aren't, your, there, weave, for, put. Now let's practice writing some sight words. The first word we'll write is the word for. I would like 4 cookies. For. The next word, your. Please bring your sister. Your. The next word, we've. We've got to go or we will be late. We've, which is a contraction short for we have. And the last word, talk. Please talk quietly. Talk. Now let's check your answers. The first word was for, Four. The next word, your, Your. The next word, weave, WE apostrophe VE. And the last word, talk, TALK. Now practice reading these sentences. Now let's read together. Last summer, I took a 4-mile walk with my sister. We went to find a fire lookout. When we got there, we found some old bricks and nails. They were all that was left of the fire lookout. Now let's reread it together. Ready? Last summer, I took a 4-mile walk with my sister. We went to a fire lookout. When we got there, we found some old bricks and nails. They were all that was left of the fire lookout. Today we will reread the story from our previous lesson, The Picnic. The Picnic. Jill likes Tim. She likes the beach. Jill had a good idea. Jill fixed a big picnic. Now you read this page. She had meatballs and peanut butter. She had peaches and cream. Your page? She put the picnic in a basket. It was a feast. Your turn to read. Tim sat by the sea. The sun was hot. The sand was warm. Your turn to read. Then they sat on the beach under a big umbrella. It was time to eat the picnic. Your page? Tim and Jill had peaches and cream. They sipped tea as they sat by the sea. And we'll read together. It was good to sit in the sun. It was fun to swim in the sea. It was a treat to eat a picnic at the beach. The end.